Most people believe that pain implies that something is broken beyond repair. What if the body has been trying to heal this entire time and simply hasn't had the right environment in order to support the healing process? I hear from many of my patients that they're frustrated because the pain continues to return. There's many types of therapies, whether it's physical therapy, cortisone injections, even surgical evaluations that patients have tried, only to give them temporary relief or quieting of their pain, but then the pain returns. At OrthoRevolution, we consider the healing journey differently and consider pain an opportunity to approach with natural remedies to support the immune system in order to jumpstart the healing process into something where it can lead to recovery of full function. There's the opportunity with us to support circulation, to give oxygen delivery right where the pain is needing the oxygen the most, to support the tissues in order to repair completely, and to support the body's immune system to heal and recover from beginning to end. We not only think about pain differently, but we think about the entire body as an intelligent system that has the opportunity to fully heal when given this type of support.